So what's behind this surge in salmon prices to a 30-year high?
Right. Well, we've got a couple of issues. Really, the main driver here is Norway, which is the world's biggest supplier of Atlantic salmon. They have had a little bit of a pest issue in the last 4 or 5 months. There's this parasite that was attacking fish farms in central parts of Norway called sea lice, and that sort of resulted in farmers having to do some cleaning measures, taking fish out of the pen, selling them forward, and so we've got a little bit of a supply crunch that's hitting the market just since the start of the year.
Yeah, I don't know, that I pretty much lost my appetite for salmon right there when you said sea lice. Okay, but how important is this industry to Norway?
Yeah, well, salmon and sort of the aquaculture industry in general in Norway is quite important. We all hear about oil and gas from Norway and the energy exports and how that's really taken a hit with the pullback that we've seen in energy prices. Seafood is another major industry in Norway, supplies billions of dollars to the economy, billions of Norwegian krone to the economy, and so in a way it's a little bit of a positive because they're seeing such a pullback in oil prices, but at the same time the price of one of their other major exports has gone through the roof.
So just a few seconds here, how much more expensive is sushi going to be then?
Well, I guess that's a little bit hard to say. There's a time lag in terms of when consumers see higher prices versus when we see higher prices in the spot market. Potentially in the next few months, we could see higher prices at the consumer level, particularly in Europe, because that's where Norway ships the majority
Smaller
of its
pieces
product.
of salmon on our sushi. True. Is that where we're heading,
True,
Whitney?
potentially, yeah. I mean, they try and stretch it as far as they can, so we could be seeing something like that.
Whitney.